first idea in the final inshallah how you can find Z. Z test we should remember in the formula Z equal we should remember in the formula Z equal x minus x equal sorry Z equal x minus mu over sigma. Z equal x minus mu over sigma. It's very easy. Yajuri, it's very important. X equal 36 and mu 40 over sigma 6. Use the calculator and find the answer. The answer it will be negative 0.67. Exercise number 2. Solve in the exam, inshallah. It is very important. Solve. How you can solve this part? How you can solve this idea? Yes. To solve this idea, we should remember, and I want to find many numbers, not percentage. So it is very important to remember to draw the normal distribution. Exercise say what? Ya Shahd, the exercise say what? Say of the height of the mountain, the range of the normal distribution. If we have the word normal distribution, so we should remember, we should draw as the solver in the exam, we should draw the normal distribution, Yajuri. We should draw the normal distribution. Normal distribution, there are important to write it. The area, 34%, 13.5, and 2.5. Normal distribution, chapter 11. I can't hear you, Yajuri. Area under the curve, if we have the word normal distribution and we have the important information about the standard deviation, okay, and the mu or mean, it will be 10,200, so it's meaning we should draw the graph. Okay, write the percentage and 13.5. You can draw as the 2.5 or 2 and 5. What is the meaning of the mu, Ya Shahd? What is the meaning of the mu? El mean is the mu. So if we have the saying here in the exercise, the mean equal 10,200, this mean. What about the standard deviation? The standard deviation is sigma, اللي هو 295. So each step, each area another, 10,200 increase by 295 on the right hand side. So this part of this point represent 10,495 until this point. How many more than 10,495? How many more? So I need this area. More than you saw the area on the right hand side. So this area represent for the 16%. 16% يا grade 12. لو أنا بسألك على how many percentage، لكن أنا بقول لك how many more، يبقى we should convert the 16% from the total height أو the greatest value of the height of the 32 يعني 16% of the 32. So it is represent 16 over 100 multiply 32, the correct answer 5.12, so the correct answer it will be 5 feet. This is the important idea in the exam. It's very important idea in the exam. Oh, okay. Multiply 32 because the greatest value is the height of mountain 32. The height value is 32. I will repeat it again quickly. I will repeat again. If we have, I want to find the how many more than وعندي word normal distribution يبقى yes, we should draw the graph, okay, and draw the percentage on the area under the curve. This represents 34, this represents 13.5, and this represents 2.5. We should remember this value, okay? The mean, the middle value here, 10,200. Standard deviation, it will be a change of the value of the mean. In this part, increase, يعني add 295. And I need this area more than 10,495. So we should add 13.5 Hijuri plus 2.5. This will be 16%. 16% if ask you about the percentage. Okay, but how many? يبقى 16% of 32. Mean is the middle point. Standard deviation, it is a change. Number 3, it is very easy. Standard error. What is the represent for n for the standard error?
The size of the
Yes, the size. It's very easy طبعا. No. This worksheet, the record video on YouTube, yes, I will upload it, but the worksheet, no. Because it's the quiz, not worksheet. Yes, I will upload طبعا الفيديو إن شاء الله. Another exercise, what is the total area under the curve? 1. It's very easy طبعا. This exercise, it is very important. Number 6, I will solve with you number 6 and number 5. Okay? Number 6, number 5 at the first, the same idea. The same idea. If we have the normal distribution, the word again, normal distribution, so we should draw the graph like this one. And divided the area 34, 13.5, and 2.5. And another part 34, 13.5, and 2.5. Or you can small area 2 and 0.5. 2 or 0.5, okay? 2 and 0.5. Another area, okay? 0.5. 2 and 0.5. لا بس في exercise بيحتاج ان انا اقسمها ل 2 و 0.5. الاثنين عادي، الاثنين زي بعض، بس الاحسن او الافضل انت تخليها 2 و 0.5. النورمال distribution on what؟ normal distribution كام يا بنات؟ النورمال distribution the mean of the normal distribution what? 21. If it change by 1.5, so 21 plus 1.5? 22.5 plus 1.5, this will be 24. So I have in here this point. This 21 is 24. Okay? 24. يبقى المين 20. If we change this part, it's represent for 21. This part is represent for 22. This part is represent for 24. So still in here this point. This only this area remainder. Another part, what is the point? It will be from 18 to 24. 21 minus 1.5. 19.5 minus 1.5. 18, only 18. So I needed this area between, yani I need this area. This area, this all total area, except 0.5 from this side, represent for 47 or 68 or 95. This total area represent for 68, represent for 47, represent for 49. No, it's wrong, okay? It represents for 95. This is wrong, okay? يلا. Another exercise يا ميس, exercise number 6. يا ريماس. Another exercise you needed, this exercise, binomial. الباينوميال, there are important rule, important في كتاب التحصيل. This exercise is very important. The standard deviation of the binomial, it will be square root n, p, and q. This rule. We should find n and should find b and should find q, but read the exercise. An exercise say what? The n times repeated. So n equals to 20, and the arithmetics, the arith is repeated, and the arithmetics mean, and the arithmetics mean equals to 12. What is the meaning arithmetics mean? Mu equals 12. This is given in the exercise. How you can find the standard deviation? Yes, sigma n multiply b multiply by q, but I don't have b or q. I don't have b or q. How you can find b or q? How you can find? We should remember in the b equal another formula. What? Who can remember the formula? Mu over n. This is another formula to help you to find b. Okay, b mu over n. Mu it will be 12 over 20. The answer it will be divide by 4, divide by 4, so 3 over 5. This is b. How you can find the q? The q equal 1 minus b. This rule, q equal 1 minus b. So q equal 1 minus 3 over 5. So it will be 2 over 5. Use the rule. Standard deviation now, it will be square root. N it will be 20. B it will be 3 over 5. Q it will be 2 over 5. Use the calculator and find the answer. The answer it will be square root 4.8. 4.8. طبعا السؤال ده ما أحلاه لو جايبه لك الجراف، يعني هدية الامتحان. أيوه. بس آخر سؤال 10 16 10 و16. طبعا الاكسرسايز دوت ما أحلاه لو أنا حطاه إيه كده بالجراف. ما على حضرتك غير إن أنت تقري بس الجراف، بس تقري الجراف. من ال 10 يا شهد لل 16 34 plus 34 plus 13.5. So the answer it will be 81.5. بس أنا بقول لك find the distribution of the standard percentage. أنا محتاجة البرسنتيج في الاريا between 10 and 16. between الاريا 10 and 16 34 13.5. ما عليكي غير إن حضرتك بس هتعملي add.
After 34 plus 34 plus 13.
Plus 13.5. Another part, 81.5. The represent for the graph, which description for the following graph represent? Which is the following for the graph represent? 1. يا اقدر احطه complete؟ حليناه فوق بالنمبرز بس. لا انا ده امتحان كنت انا بغير فيه. What is the best description of the following graph represent? 1. الجراف دوت represent for ايه؟ The normal distribution. So the graph represent for 1. This part I will complete this idea in the exam as the complete 2.5 mark for this idea only. The mean is كام؟ المين بكام؟ المين 0. This part. Standard deviation is the change. This will be sigma. This will be 1. LZ this will be 3 and negative 3. The standard deviation اللي هي sigma x bar equal. sigma x bar equal. sigma x bar يا أذكياء grade 12. sigma x bar it will be sigma over square root of 1. Yes. أيوة sigma over square root. So n represent for the sum. Okay, I will stop record this part. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will complete another idea for the quiz. True or false, it is very important. There are worksheets included 10 idea. Okay, 10 exercise, maybe 4 or 5 of them in the exam. Maybe different idea. Okay, maybe it's the same. So we should remember we study the worksheet included the true or false, 10 exercise true or false. Some of them in the exam, inshallah. Okay, and tomorrow, inshallah, I will solve the 2 idea as the solve in the exam.